Happy Monday, everybody. I hope you guys had a beautiful weekend. Hopefully some of you guys got good weather. I know it's kind of crazy with the weather around the United States and in different places of the country as well. But overall, I hope that you guys are feeling a little bit of the spring fever that's in the air. I sure am. I actually went and got myself a little bit of a haircut this weekend. I don't know what it is, but like spring comes around and I just want like a fresh, cut it off, right? Like just cut it off. It becomes like this emotional thing. I don't know, with the hair. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. So heads up, I don't know how many of you guys read the little description in this Craftin' episode. I am going to be sharing a hint for the April Kiwi Club Kit. We decided to throw this in towards the end of the month, give it a try. We're just going to test it out, see how things go, see if you guys have a lot of fun with it. We think it's fun, but we'll let you guys tell us what you think as well. So hello, everyone. I have your comments up here on my phone. Hello, Ginger. How are you? Nikki, how are you guys? Okay, so again, if you are not one that likes any kind of sneak peek of any kind of hints or any kind of thing, then this episode is not for you. And then of course, if you share it, please be mindful of that as well as you go forward. I'm not giving a full on so don't get your hopes up, y'all. I'm just giving a hint. We're gonna play a fun game because it's Monday and it's almost April and we only have a few more days till this month is over, which is crazy. It's simply crazy to think about. And so we're gonna play a fun game. Any of you guys Scrabble fans? Any of you guys Scrabble fans? My husband loves to play Scrabble. We played speed scramble, where like you don't wait for each person to have a turn. It's kind of like speed Rummikub. Anybody played that, where you just kind of like all go crazy and wild and you just start moving all the tiles around? But my husband is a wordsmith. We call him a wordsmith. He loves words, loves them. And so he's always looking for opportunities to play Scrabble. So we thought we'd play this fun game. So any Scrabble fans out there, out of curiosity, let me know. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and then the rules, if there's any rules here, I'm going to share it, and you're going to unscrabble the word to reveal April's Kiwi Club theme kit. And then I will show you guys kind of the header, and then we'll see what other little sneak peeks. I don't know. It's like this internal battle. You guys know this already, for all of you guys that take advantage of my internal battle that I have. Again, no, I don't spoil the surprise for anybody that loves the surprise. All right, good. I think I gave it enough time for everybody to be forewarned. So if someone is thinking about joining, and make them join, Debbie says. This is true, but just know that if you do join the Kiwi Club Kit, we might do these little sneak peeks at the end of the month. You can give it a try, see if you like it. Better yet, for the month of March, if you have not heard yet, we are doing a promo for everybody that signs up for the full Kiwi Club Kit, meaning the paper and the designer templates full Kiwi Club Kit. It's $25 a month, which is a really good price. You get 10 double-sided sheets of paper, plus 16 title cards, plus the designer templates that always value $13 or more, and then any other extra little elements. So one little insight into April's Kiwi Club Kit, an extra element, we are putting enamel dots back in. You guys know how much we love enamel dots, just as fun, simple little embellishments. This kit will have that extra element, which only goes with the full Kiwi Club Kit, not the template only club kit. So anyways, back to the promo. For the month of March, if you sign up during the month of March, your first kit will be April's kit, this little hint that I'm going to give you guys. But you will also get a mystery gift, which is one of the past Kiwi Club kits, a value of $25, basically mystery shipped right to you right away. The team's going to get it the moment you sign up. They'll ship it right away. You're not waiting till April. It goes out right away. So you get a feel of what it's like to have that package show up on your doorstep, letting it be a surprise, opening up the package, and just getting your creator's mind spinning, right? Like all the possibilities. Now, of course, every month, along with that, we value sharing ideas and inspiration. So we make it part of our process that every month, um, for the Scrapbooking Kiwi Club Kit, meaning the paper and the template one, we make a PDF that highlights this kit, just various different ways that we used it. So Debbie, Shiloh, and myself, who are the Kiwi Lane founders, we find it fun. We take it upon us in different ways to make the time um, to use the kit, the full kit, and see what all we can create within one kit. And then we share those ideas with you guys in hopes that it's a springboard for you to really see a potential of a kit. And like all of our products, we try to make them very user-friendly, and also we try to make sure that it's versatile, meaning that it has multiple meanings, purpose, and usage. So we always try not to encourage you guys to put our kits into boxes, because as a creator, you can utilize whatever raw materials, in this case, the designer templates and the paper that comes inside of this kit, to play to create, right? And so we encourage that in any shape or form that might resonate with you. Okay, with all that said, Debbie, you got me on this rampage of a spill. I'm gonna share my screen and we're gonna see how fun this is. So in the comments, if you're good at Scrabble, try to unscramble it. The first time person I see with the comment, I'll announce what that, who unscrambled it. So there you guys go. So here is the Scrabble words for April's Kiwi Club Kit coming up. So unscrabble them, like get your wheels spinning here, and let me know in the comments if you're unable to unscrabble April Kiwi Club's hint. Here it is. So EROVHTE, over the rainbow. Correct, Debbie, that was fast. Okay, over the rainbow is the hint for April. So as spring is upon us and lots of beautiful things outside as far as spring and just things coming back to life, lots of rain and just different things like that, hopefully getting outside before the summer heat hits you. And that's what this kit is all about. So not only could you, yes, represent any kind of rain or outdoor pictures, because Debbie, my mother-in-law, scrapbooked this adorable layout, just so happy and colorful and fun. And it was just them outside. I believe her daughter was went on a hike or camping. I can't remember the two. And this kit was just such a fun feel for that. I fell in love with her page. I can't wait till you guys see it in the PDF. Again, the PDFs will be up on the 1st of the month. But here is a little logo for you guys to resonate with. Here, let me grab that. So over the rainbow, that is April's Kiwi Club Kit. So lots of fun ways to look forward to using this kit. I used it for girls camp for my daughter's pictures from 2019. I also used it when we went to Georgia and we had some pictures of us outside of Georgia and it just started to pour. I don't know if you guys ever been that way, where you're just walking around and it looks so beautiful outside, and then all of a sudden it just started to pour like down rain on us. So that was a really fun memory to use this kit for as well. And then Shiloh used hers for, I'm trying to remember what Shiloh's samples were. Some pictures of her daughter with some of her friends from college and just different things like that. Just really bright and colorful and fun and happy and perfect for spring. It's so, so much fun. So there is the hint for April. I hope you guys are excited to get this package on the mail. Like again, still a lot to look forward to seeing those patterns and those colors and all of those fun titles, but hopefully that gives you an idea of what to look forward to. And again, if you haven't signed up for Kiwi Club Kit, make sure to do that if you're interested by the end of March. What are we at? The 29th? So we have 3 more days if you count today till the end of the March is over. So April 1st is on Thursday, which is, by the way, April Fool's Day. If you need a little reminder, I just pulled up the calendar and saw that. Any of you guys good shenanigans? Do you guys do any good shenanigans for April 1st? I should start thinking about what I could do for my family. I always forget until it's the day of or after, but now that I just pulled up to the calendar and we're reflecting on the end of March, I'm gonna have to think about that. You guys let me know if you have any good shenanigans that I can be inspired by. We all need a good laugh here and there, right? Good shenanigans, not like mean ones, but like good funny ones. Let me know. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Monday. I hope that you make the most of each week that you have, and that, like always, please make sure to pull up your calendar and to make time to create with your Kiwi Club kits, to create in general, whatever that is, to allow your inside creator to come out and to play, to create, to make time to play. And I believe you'll be better off in all your other areas, your capacities of your life, if you do make that time. I know for me, I was nice to spend a little time this weekend, and I feel refreshed. I feel motivated for the week, and I hope that you guys are able to find that same aspect of what creating does for us. So, all right, guys, thank you. Have a wonderful week, and we'll tune in later. Bye now.